In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect PostgreSQL to Base44. We'll walk through the setup flow inside Base44 and also cover an important preparation step before you begin. The goal here is to make sure your PostgreSQL connection is ready, secure, and accessible from your project so you can work with JSON data smoothly. First, go to Base44 and sign into your workspace. Once you're in, look to the left-hand side of the screen and click on All Apps. This will show you the projects available in your workspace, so you can choose the one you want to connect to PostgreSQL. Before opening the app, make sure your PostgreSQL server credentials and connection strings are already hosted and secured. This part matters because you never want to expose sensitive database details directly in places where they could be visible or accidentally shared. Have your connection information prepared in a secure way before continuing so the rest of the setup goes much more smoothly. Next, open the project you want to work on. Once the project loads, click on Dashboard. This gives you access to the main working area for the app and helps you navigate to the tools you'll use for the database connection. From here, you'll be using Base44's built-in code editor to write handlers. Handlers are where you define the logic that communicates with your PostgreSQL database. Whether you're retrieving data, sending updates, or transforming the results into the format your app needs, using the built-in editor keeps everything in one place, which is especially helpful when you're building and testing quickly. Now click on Code to open the code workspace. Inside this section, locate and click on the file called jesconfig.json. Opening this file helps you work within the project's coding environment and confirms you're in the right place to manage your setup. At this point, you can connect to your database and begin pulling or pushing JSON data. In practical terms, that means your handlers can request information from PostgreSQL, return it in JSON format, or accept JSON input and write it back to the database. This is especially useful for apps that need dynamic content, user-submitted data, or real-time updates. As a general tip, always test your connection carefully after setup and confirm that your queries return the expected JSON structure. That will make it easier to build reliable features on top of your database connection. And that's how to connect PostgreSQL to Base44 using the app workspace and built-in code tools.